So you guys, I recently had some coupons for CVS, and I usually go there with my coupons to pick up my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. I love Seche Vite. That's mainly the only fast dry top coat that I use, and this was above it, and I have been wondering how well does this work. It's the Essie Good to Go Fast Dry and Shine top coat. So I went ahead and picked this up. It was, regular price is like $9.99, but with all the coupons and extra bucks I had, I got it for like $3 and some change, actually. About $4 with tax. And I have used it. I used it on this set of nails that I did, and it worked really good. Now I have a couple that are messed up because I messed my, like you can see, it's a little smushed here, but that was before I put this on. But when I put this on, it did dry quick. I was pretty impressed with that, because usually when I try other fast dries, they just, to me, never work as good as Seche Vite. But if you can tell here, it does have a nice shiny gloss to it, which I really like. And it does dry. I don't even know if I was in frame, was I? And it does dry fast though. I was really impressed with how fast it dried. So I would say up there with Seche Vite, I will put this at number 2. At number 2. I like it. So I'm glad that I went ahead and picked this up and gave it a try. Seche Vite at 7-Eleven. Seche Vite at CVS costs more than this one also. The Seche Vite at CVS is $11.99. It used to be like $8. They went up over time, but it's $11.99 now. So you're even gonna save money picking up the Essie. Like I say, this one was $9.99. And then if you have coupons and extra bucks, you can really get either or, because you'll be saving money. But I'm glad that I did pick this up. So I'm going to continue to use it. I've only used it so far with this manicure. And like I said, it did great. It dried fast because I had to leave. So I put this on and I was out the door in 5 minutes. My nails was dry before then. So yeah, it's really good. If you guys use this or you go pick it up and try it out, let me know what you think about it. I'm pretty impressed with it. Glad I gave it a try.